What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, back again with another video. And today I want to talk about, do you deserve success? All right, so the real thing about success, right? The only way to be successful is to actually put the work in. And the only way to deserve success is to do what it takes to get success, which is what? Put the work in. So you have to put the work in to deserve success. You can't deserve to be successful and not put the work in. You can't deserve to have a successful marriage if you don't put the work in. You don't deserve to get that new job if you don't put the work in. You don't deserve to be a successful CEO of a company if you don't put the work in. You get what I'm saying? You have to put the work in. A lot of people nowadays think that they don't have to put the work in to get the results. They just them. They deserve it. For whatever reason, they just entitled and think that they should have success. Whichever form of success is that they feel like they should have. And that bugs me out. I don't understand that thought process because that's not how the world works. You can feel like you're entitled to anything and everything you want, but if you don't put the work in, you will not get it 9 times out of 10. And if you do get it, it's going to be fleeting. It's not going to last because you didn't really deserve it. Right? Now, would you want to get something you don't really deserve and it go away? That doesn't make sense. That doesn't sound fun. Right? Because then that just leaves you in a place of depression, leaves you in a place of of lack because you got it and then it got taken away from you because you really didn't deserve it. Who wants that kind of energy? Who wants that type of life, right? So, my suggestion is you need to put the work in. Whatever the work is, do it. Put the work in. Get to it. Don't bullshit it. Don't wait for a handout. Get out there, put the work in, and you will be successful. You will have what you want if you put the work in. If you don't put the work in, you won't get it. It's just that simple. Until next time, wealth builders. This is the man, this is the myth, the wealth builder himself, signing on for, do you really deserve to be successful? Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.